At Plastics Unlimited, we are industry leaders, dedicated to designing solutions for our customers. And we do this all while providing the highest quality and customer satisfaction. We take great pride in our innovative patented TEC process. Over the last 15 years, we have had great success and strive to continuously improve our process. TEC is a patented process that stands for toolless engineered composite. TEC bonds a thermoformed ABS plastic surface layer to a structural layer of fiberglass. This provides added benefits by combining the strengths of both the plastic and fiberglass. The plastic provides a very durable high-gloss exterior surface that is resistant to chemicals, impacts, and UV exposure. The fiberglass adds great strength and helps the plastic in extreme temperatures. This combination holds up to impacts much better compared to the alternatives. The plastic exterior surface will not crack, chip, or fade like gel coats on most other fiberglass parts. The TEC parts also will not dent, scratch, or rust like many alternative metal products. If the TEC process can withstand all of this abuse, it would be a great fit for your next application. For more information on our TEC process and to see how we can exceed your expectations, please contact our sales team today.